If you have just signed up for privacy.com and want to start using virtual cards, activating one is simple and takes only few steps. Virtual cards from Privacy are designed to work instantly once created, so you won't need to go through a long process. First, log into your privacy.com account through their website or mobile app. If this is your first time, you'll need to link a checking account or debit card as your funding source. This is required before you can create and use any virtual card. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to the card section, click on New Card to begin. You can name the card, set a spending limit, and choose whether you want it to be single use or locked to a specific merchant. This gives you full control over how and where your card can be used. After filing in the details, click Create Card, and that's it. The card is now active and ready to use online. You'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV just like a regular card. You can copy these details and paste them at checkout. Or if you're using the browser extension, autofill them directly into payment forms. You can always pause, delete, or edit the card settings later through your dashboard if needed. If this helped you out, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more step-by-step guides on modern banking tools. Drop a comment below if there's another platform you want me to cover next.